Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can make music sound muffled on CapCut application. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my CapCut application, and here I have imported my music to this CapCut project. So first of all, we can click on the music or the audio. Then we have to click on it one more time, and we have to go to the voice effects option. Okay, in this voice effect, we have to select the retro category and just scroll all the way to the right. And those are the effects which can make our music sound muffled. And I'm going to try it one by one, but before it, I'm going to play the original audio. Okay, this is the original audio. And for the megaphone effect, okay, like this. For the lo-fi and for the final as well. And I think the lo-fi is better, and I'm going to select this one. Okay, and this is the result. And I guess that's how we can make our music sound muffled on CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.